AI trading bots tutorial. We are trading with the bots tutorial. So let's start this tutorial where you should be having a Binance or any centralized platform. For me, I have 12,921,000 and I'm trading with automated bots. Remember, if you comment in my videos, crypto arbitrage trading or AI bots, you get free funding. So I'll guide you on how to join my free trading classes so that everybody can win. So as I said, we are trading with bots and it is arbitrage trading. So you know where to get these bots for free. It is only in ranquilly.com. You can chat me via Telegram or WhatsApp for the link, and make sure you download the app too. After that, you come on arbitrage bots. I have a bot here which is running for 5 minutes. This is what I'm chasing, so I'll just run the bot with 500, and remember, we'll do a withdrawal. We trade and make some withdrawal right now. So I'm trading with this bot with a capital of 500. You can see invested, and I'm expecting 2,796. The ROI was 559, and the runtime is this one. So let me explain how this bot works. It is called Flash Arbitrage Pro Bot. It is just 5 minutes. Good timing, good profit. You can see the live spread. It's very high. The live spread means between these lines, and it is trading between Ethereum and BTC. You know, if you're a trader, these pairs are doing very great right now. So the expected profit for this bot, it is that percentage, and also the minimum risk. Minimum amount is 200, and the maximum amount to start trading with this bot, it is 500,000 USDT. So we'll be waiting for 5 minutes, then I show you on how this bot is has done and what it has given us. So let me make a withdrawal from Ranquilly to Binance so that you guys can confirm that everything works and works perfectly. You can see my Binance, it is 12 million. So let's get it to around 12 million and something. So you'll check the balance. Let's refresh. You check, then we do it. So for you to make a withdrawal, go copy the address on your external wallet, then you'll come on withdrawal. Whatever coin you want to withdraw, I want to withdraw USDTs, and I'll paste my Binance address, which everyone knows right now if you've been following me for long. Then I'll withdraw. Let's withdraw 700 USDTs, and I'll review and confirm. After confirming, I'll go back to my Binance. Let me take a screenshot. This one I'll do it for my Telegram before and after trading. So let's wait, and we'll see our amount here. It should be 698 because 2 USDTs is a transaction cost. And you can see here, let's check our trade. Around 1 minute remaining. So let's wait. So now guessing here, you can see my trade has been completed. Let's check the history. Here, this is the profit. This one is the profit we made, 2,796. So our take profit is actually 2,200 USDTs. And let's check our withdrawal. We can check it on transaction history for it to be. Why is it? I've seen it has arrived in Binance. Network, my network. So our withdrawal is here. You can see it, 700, and time and date here. You can check, and our Binance balance now is at 13,011,000. So you know, it is what it is, man. Believe, make profit. Don't believe, leave it. Others will make some profit. That was the quickest bot we've ever made profit with arbitrage trading. So if it is still there, just go fund your account, 200 USDTs. Every human being can afford that. Trade arbitrage now with automated.